Sudah?
Ya.
Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat malam.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to today's presentation. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Mariati, moderator of Group 3. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to presenters by Miss Arta, Miss Farida, Miss Imelda, Miss Mariati, and Miss Ipit. Today, we will present about what do you feel and present perfect tense. Without further ado, I'd like to welcome our presenters to start the presentation. Yang pertama, Miss Arta and Miss Imelda.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ati. The first, I will conversation with Imelda as patient. I am as a nurse. Hello, I am Arta. I am nurse at this facility. Your name is Imelda, isn't it?
Yes, I am Imelda.
Okay, Imelda. How do you feel today? What is the problem that makes you come here today?
I have a fever for the last 3 days.
Okay, Imelda. Let me check your temperature.
Sure?
It is 39 Celsius degree. It is very high. Do you feel dizzy or faint?
Yes, I do. I think I will be dizzy and shivering heavily by the afternoon if I did not come here today.
Did you vomit?
No, I did not.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Sure, please.
Well, your blood pressure is good. It doesn't seem to have a problem there.
What happened with me then?
Well, the preparation for me is already done. After this, Dr. Albert will examine you. I hope you to be patient and wait for a while. You will be called very soon. Please be seated.
Okay, thank you.
Vocabulary by Miss Ipit.
Oke. Headache, sakit kepala, stomach, sakit perut, foot, head, sakit gigi, earth, sakit telinga, short throat, radang tenggorokan, heart, batuk, stroke, stroke, hardcore, pusing lapar, dysentery, antrak, char, saluran pernapasan akut, MARS, sindrom napas timur tengah, Ebola, union, bengkak ibu jari kaki, fever, demam, cold, pilek,
Next,
rabies, kudis, swine flu, flu babi, bird flu, flu burung, asma, bronkitis, colitis, radang usus besar, cowpox, cacar sapi, dengue, demam disertai linu pada sendi, emfisema, pembengkakan paru-paru, blackhead, sakit punggung, diabetes, sakit gula, encephalitis, radang otak, Gallstream, gondok, cancer, constellation, tegar, nose, blood, mimisan, laryngitis, man-cold disease, penyakit sapi gila, migrain, sakit kepala sebelah, sakit kepala sebelah, plage, pes, epilepsi, sakit ayan, posterioritis, penyakit kulit kronis, SNES, bersin, laksitis, ataksia degeneratif saraf, laser, lumpuh, diare, tumor, reumatis, and cough, superfluous, shingles, penyakit ruam saraf, sipilis, gonore, kencing nanah, nose, ingusan, angler, bisul, simple, jerawat,
Heart attack, serangan jantung, hepatitis, radang hati, meningitis, radang selaput otak, tuberculosis, TBC, wart, kutil, itchy nose, hidung gatal, tetanus, Parkinson disease, penyakit Parkinson, miopati, rabun dekat, ear infection, infeksi telinga, breast cancer, kanker payudara, atopy, pengecilan otot, sore nose, hidung sakit, tumor, spur, sariawan, typhus, tifus, deep throat, tenggorokan kering, sore throat, sakit tenggorokan.
Konstipasi, sembelit, bladder stone, kencing batu, sore arm, sakit lengan, bone fracture, patah tulang, bruise, memar, fraktur, kulit rusak, flu, rabies, skin fungus, panu, smallpox, cacar, leukemia, kekurangan sel darah putih, anemia, kekurangan sel darah merah, beriberi, measles, campak, anoreksia, kolera, bekek, sakit punggung, lung cancer, kanker paru-paru, vertigo, pusing, mumps, gondok, pneumonia, radang paru-paru, black death, pest, malaria, obesitas, amnesia, hilang ingatan, liver, sakit hati, jaundice, penyakit kuning, hematemesis, muntah darah, katarak, leprosy, kusta.
Next, grammar focus with Miss Farida.
Okay, the following are expressions to instruct, suggest, or prohibit, which are frequently used by a nurse. Number 1, recommendation. The formula is subject plus must, should, had, better, advise, suggest, plus verb 1. The example, number 1, a patient must take a medicine regularly. You should come early to register in this hospital. Number 3, you had better take a rest. Number 2, prohibition. The formula is subject plus should, had better, may, plus not, plus verb 1. Example, a diabetic patient must not eat too sweet. Number 2, you should not be late to visit the doctor. Number 3, you may not be tired because you have not been well. The other formula of prohibition is subject plus avoid, must avoid, should avoid, plus verb ing. Example, number 1, you should avoid drinking alcohol. Number 2, you must avoid from your health.
Next, Miss. Next. Halo Miss, boleh next slide. Reading exercise oleh Miss Arta.
Thank you. How does heart work? Your heart is made up of 4 chambers, 2 chambers on the right side and 2 on the left. The wall of these chambers are made of special heart muscle. The small chambers at the top of your heart are called atria, and the large chamber below are called ventricle. Each ventricle has one valve at its entrance and one at its exit to prevent blood from flowing backward through the heart. Your atria and ventricle work together by alternately contracting systole or systolic phase. to push blood out of the heart, and relaxing diastole or diastolic phase to fill with blood. At the start of each heartbeat, a tiny electrical signal near the top of the heart spread through your heart muscle, making it contract. The atria contract first, pushing blood through the open valve into the ventricle. The electrical impulse then travels into the muscle of the ventricle, making it contract and push blood out of your heart to your lung and body. As the ventricle contract, the atria relax, allowing them to fill with blood and start the next beat. Finish.
Oke, Miss Farida.
Jantung Anda terdiri dari 4 kamar, 2 kamar di sisi kanan dan dua di sisi kiri. Dinding kamar ini terbuat dari otot jantung khusus. Ruang kecil di bagian atas jantung disebut atrium dan ruang besar di bawah disebut ventricle. Setiap ventricle memiliki 1 katup di pintu masuknya dan 1 di pintu keluarnya untuk mencegah darah mengalir mundur melalui jantung. Atrium dan ventricle Anda bekerja sama dengan berkontraksi secara bergantian fase sistol atau sistolik untuk mendorong darah keluar dari jantung, dan relaksasi fase diastol atau diastolik untuk mengisi dengan darah. Pada awal setiap detak jantung, sinyal listrik kecil dari dekat bagian atas jantung menyebar melalui otot jantung Anda, membuatnya berkontraksi. Atrium berkontraksi terlebih dahulu, mendorong darah melalui katup yang terbuka ke dalam ventricle. Impuls listrik kemudian berjalan ke otot ventricle, membuatnya berkontraksi dan mendorong darah keluar dari jantung ke paru-paru dan tubuh. Saat ventricle berkontraksi, atrium rileks memungkinkan mereka untuk mengisi dengan darah dan memulai detak berikutnya. Oke, finish.
Next. Next slide. Miss Imelda.
Okay, thank you, Miss Ati. Future progressive tense formula. Verb, number 1, verb ending do not change in the future tense. You only need to use the future tense phrases with or going to show that an action or fact pertain to the future. And the formula is subject plus will be plus verb plus ing, or subject plus form of to be plus going to be plus verb plus ing. Number 2, the verb to be has an irregular conjugation. I pakai to be am, he or she or it pakai to be is, you or we or they pakai to be are. Next. Future function and uses future progressive tense. Future action in progress. Number 1. This refers to action that will occur at some point in the future. This action will last for a period or duration of time. Example, I will be reading. They will be finishing school soon. We will be living in San Francisco. You will be bargaining. Number 2, future action in progressive in negative sentence. This refers to action that will not occur at some point in the future. To form the future progress in the negative, from not is adapt between will and be. To form the future progressive or negative, subject plus will not be plus present participle. Example, he will not be graduation. Number 2, you will not be going to the dance. Number 3, they will not be eating with us. Number 3, we will not be arriving on time. Next.
Miss Ipit. Hello, Miss Ipit. Miss Ipit?
Astagfirullahaladzim. Feature integrative on duration. This refers to action that might or might not be accounting over a profit of time in the future. To from the future integrative question in the subject is placed, but will and be. To from the future integrative question will plus subject plus be plus question participle. Will you example? Will you be calling? Will they be eating? Will he be going? Will we be editing?
Thanks.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. All right. Now we'll move to question and answer session. Ada yang mau bertanya dan mau menjawab? Dipersilahkan, teman-teman. Okay, thank you. Finally.
Alhamdulillah. Udah kan, Pak? Udah?